Bacolor. Eliseo Belen Elementary School, Bacolor, South District. Yan. Dito kami mag-seminar ng program. Dito na kami sa Coverport. Malit. Ilan lang yung lower na nakaano yan. Ito yung mga kasama ko. Oh, yan. Oh, tinapia kami. Ay, kaya katamo nga. Marami kami malata. Marami kami sa Coverport.
Mestra ng isang share po. Ako lang po ng Gustavo. Ngayon pong Ventura Hall. Natingnan po sila pang lalaki. As of enjoy tayo ng feeling at ang ating hapon. Smile. Kasi po yung tulak, matiyawa. Kaya mag-smile ka ng tao, masaya ka, iyawa yung pagpupso. Mag-smile ka kayo, iyawa. Okay? So, yung tulak, ang saya, matiyawa. So, palakpakan po sa ilitan mo po, ang lilas ng sound, eskwela po po
Thank you, Sir Ben. Tama po sinabi ni Sir Ben. Kahapon po nagpa-deliver sila ng lahat ng brand ng aircon para maging comfortable tayo ngayong umaga. Sabi namin, bagyo, di po ba kayo habagat? But let's always look on the brighter side. Hindi naman malamig o presko ng konti ang panahon. Kaya nararamdaman po natin na
Dr. Fidel
happy morning again. Supposedly, with us are the Magalang and Arayat people. But due to the first batch orientation ng Gaaral program, tayo talaga accommodate rin higit 1,400. So we have two venues, the Arayat and Magalang Aral Pusaw, and the Porac people and the Bacolor people are here. Here with us is Sir June, who will be our Oberhokan, because Ma'am Stella Candali will be at Pusaw. I hope we knew that this is a big crowd. The Aral program is intended for you teachers. Impact sa limit Maya, though you travel so far, particularly for people, pag sa limit Maya, pakiramdaman tayo po in Aral program. Because this is intended for you teachers, for the sake of our learners. Though it is a big crowd, yung kailangan din po attention nyo. We only have one speaker to talk to your seatmate. Diba? Happy morning, everyone.
Sa introduction ko natin. Kumusta yung lahat? Hindi mabuti. Bakit kayo? Kumusta ang lahat? Happy morning!
Happy morning!
My respect to the PSDSS, of course, the President of the PATS. Sabi ko po kayo the other day, tuturo na lapit yung kitaro ng taas lang po. Mas blooming yan. Of course, our dear ate, ang division of this one, sinamlang ko din namin po. Kaya tamang malabo, hindi. Lagi o, ang hagit niya, sa lagi lago, okay kaya kaya pink. Basang pink yung road, okay, today. And of course, you will be hearing, okay, from you kayo na po kaya session, the sector manager of the North East Sector, pinang nagong PSDS na lang po kontra, yung division ng Pampanga. So, napipilit rolling po. Of course, ang ating PSDS, napakasimple. Ngayon, kaya yung may mapakayan, gano'n na din yung division ng PSDS. Simple, pero ang simple mag-ibig so much of it. So, hindi nga, huwag isa na pa. Huwag mag-isa sa iyo. Okay, of course, our host of this school, talagang we prepared na po despite very short notice po. Dapat po kasi ito nakakakita. Hindi pa tama mo po ba? Okay, bago mo. And our dear ma'am, thank you so much for your sir.
Happy morning, everyone. I want to see teachers teaching primary level. Grade 1 to 3. Please, Fran. Okay na siguro ko lang may section niya. It's just okay kung wala na kayo titignan. Anyway, this is an orientation. Kahit maginig lang po kayo sa akin, no? Other else, pwede sa oras po. So the session 1 is about the status of the literacy in the community. So within here, our objective to all of you is to present the rationale behind the oral program implementation and to recommend some solutions to mitigate the literacy issue. Bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng literacy issue? Bottom natin na rin ang high school. Sa sakanan nakatama rin high school. Besa tokas kay elementary. Ano man biyasa ada. Neko? That is the connotation before. Sana ngayon alin naman ito. Because we have different measures in the elementary and in the secondary. Kaya kami kay elementary, oras agasan ng piliin ng basaya, they are considered as leaders. Kamusta kaya kayo secondary, siyempre ano yung lesson nyo? So oras kaya kayo, yung orang non-leaders. And that is why you are there to make, again, our learners improve their reading capabilities and capacities. We do not blame each other. Kasi ngayon panahon na yun, then kung gusto, itang respectfully sa leader. Before, inganak, ayaw ang puno ng bagay tayo na ako kay grade 1. Diba? Until we find out that the child is a special one. That yan ang mag-spell. Diba? During our time. Pero ngayon, we have new sets of teachers, new generations, datang anak-anak kay kami, datang debate mami. Debate mami, mareklamo na lang. Kamu po meron na kayong eskwela, they are trying to look for their rights, for their privileges, for their benefits. Am I right? Kalunod daw natin ng masteral degree, balatang yata na pa ng kanila principal. Am I right? I am only stating data. Alam ko yung pag-orbanin. Diba? Pero, i-return monitored benefits, rights, and privileges. Bakit? Kasi agad na may master. Abang na rin privilege, naging mestra, beneficio, naging mestra, karapatan naging mestra. Kaya kaiinda, ingrata lang. Why? Kasi agad na may master. Paano doon kami rin rights, privileges, benefits? But they do not know their duties, responsibilities, and obligations. Kaya naman pakilaman na tayo. Kaya taga-nungunan tayo ng rights, privilege, benefits. They don't care about the duties, responsibilities, and obligations. Sir, sabi ni Ing Assert, kaya kung pinurgaan ng mga oras, pwede na ang ako. Ing Assert, mami, iyang papasweldo kayo. Ing Aquari, iyang papasweldo kayo. You are only about your rights, privileges, and benefits. Not about the duties, responsibilities, and obligations. Before, during our time, we even exist for the 8 hours. At yung kiling pa ito, totoo pinapalitan kay Amnesty Candy. Ikay kayanin nga ng mga oras, panto na nyo rin lugal na rin milky. Panto na nyo rin lugal na rin samchi.
Sabihin lang, saka sa Opus ko Academy. Pero dahil hindi ko tayo pasya doon, may mga parts sa mga sektor na nasa Malalag, at ako naman po ay naatasa dito sa Eliseo Belen, no? Elementary School. So, thank you po, bear with me. Sino na po ang nakakaalam o nakakita na ng mga learning resources sa ARAL program? Pakitaas na mo ang kamay? Wala pa po? Okay. Para tuwata ang mahihirapan tayo. Kung titignan po kasi natin, ang ating pag-uusapan ngayong hapon ay sipat student. Ibig sabihin, babalikan lang natin and then we're going to analyze what are we going to do during our ARAL program. Okay? So, ano ba ang dapat ginagawa natin? Ang una po, sa aming paaralan, sa Bacolor Integrated School, ina-assess muna namin ang mga bata. If we have 264 learners, example, pagka kayo ay nasa Carla, yun lang sa low and high emerging. At pag nasa PE tayo, doon lang tayo sa frustration. Okay? So what if the ability, the need of that learner coming from the primary and intermediate is the same? So they belong in the same group. Regardless of what grade level, dapat we know the needs, we know the abilities of our learner. Lagi ko pong sinasabi, we should start where our learners are. Kilalanin muna natin, mapakahirap sa atin ang i-handle ang isang aral na klase if we cannot know the skills, the abilities, the needs of our learners. Napakahalaga po yan. Kaya dapat
Thank you. Opo. Yung mga nasa likod ayaw tumayo, okay? I am helping you to lessen your sleepiness from sleeping too long. Ayan, alam mo po hindi. Ano yung warm-up activity ko? Please remember po, it's 5 minutes. Yung warm-up activity ko, that includes po the motivation activity, first part of the tutorial video. Next is review. If it's day 2 na, okay po? So, 5 minutes lang po yun. Napanood ba ng manager ko? Hello po, Dr. Suarez, di ba? Pasensya na po yung sabihin. Manginit po, di ba? Okay, out of context is good po. Okay, so narinig niyo po ba ako? Hello? Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Pakita na ng smile po. Yan, sige. So, let's understand po, no, yung face natin, yung area, and try to appreciate, di ba? Kasi kahit mahirap, and trying for you to be prepared next week. And everything po, always look at the brighter side. Yan, okay? Para hindi tayo ma-frustrate or mag-frustrate. Yan, okay? So, 5 minutes warm up. How about the discussion?
25 minutes.
For 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 5 na lang po yung natira.
25.
25. So, yung core discussion po, which includes the discussion po, immersing learners to reading, discussing the story read. That's entails for how many minutes? Sige po, Edges. 20, A, 20, B, 15, C, 10.
10.
Sinasabi ko A, B, C. Very good. Letter B, 15 minutes.
Okay. Napinulaan.
So sa 30 minutes, 15 minutes po yung immersed in reading, providing the reading material, tapos na yung motivation activity. Kung may tapos na yung review. 5 minutes na, huwag lang po sa session sa motivation. Okay po? Hatiin yung equally, kaya yung need to plan. Once you discover po the type or level of your activities, you read the teacher's plan. You plan. There will be several activities. Hindi siya ma-edit, ano? So, we would be parang editing yung mga gawain natin. The groups would post their menus on the wall and everybody walks around to read. Gusto niyo ba yun? 30 minutes mangyayari yung gallery walk. Pagkatapos na magko-compare ng laman, siya tatawag na lang tayo ng mga tao na kung sakaling gagawa ng kanilang menu na ituturo sa araw reading class. Ano kaya ang iisipin ninyong ihanda o iserve sa mga learners niyo? Wala pong maling sagot. At kapag may sumagot na, uusad na ang slide. Pag wala pong sumasagot, ayan na. Tumapat ang oras at hindi kayo agad uuwi. Ano hindi na ako, tsaka rin kasama. Ano po yung mga isurvey niyang menu para sa pagkatuto ng mga bata sa aral? Sige po, walang maling sagot. Kasi madam, na nag-i-enjoy sa lower, kaya fresh na fresh kahit ganitong oras na. Madam!
Different studies.